Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for August 23rd, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw a classic fade today. Dow opened higher today, went up about 100 points, and then slowly but surely gave it all back in the end. It was up approximately 17 points. The S&P 500 was up about 4, also faded here. And there you go. So again, put in a fresh new high, but once we got back to these previous highs here, quickly sold off. Nasdaq was up about 15. The Russell hung in there. The Russell has been playing catch up. And if we look at the weekly or the monthly again, you can see that we still have not achieved those all-time highs. So the Russell has a bit more room to move than the other index charts. But just a classic fade today. Aside from that, everything else was pretty quiet. TLT, very quiet day overall, up about 19 cents or so. It was higher in the session. Gold down a point or so, under 2 points. And crude put in an interesting formation here. So after this nice strong move and this pullback here, we now see this bullish engulfing pattern. So question is, will it actually trigger? That's what remains to be seen right here. And the way you normally play this is what we would call a reversal signal. And so what you want to look for is a trade above today's high, which was 48.32. So a trade above 48.32. And again, we should see a continued move to the upside. Momentum is still in place and gaining here. So this will be interesting to see whether or not crude can actually trigger off this reversal signal tomorrow. Also in the news today was Tesla. They came out and announced improvements to their cars, mainly with the battery life, and also made a pretty bold promise to have the fastest car in the world. Initially on the news that there was going to be some kind of product related announcement, Tesla shot up. By the end of the day, it looked very much like the Dow and the S&P, gave it all back. So in the end, nothing really has changed here. Momentum is completely flat. No indication right now on the Tesla daily chart as to the next direction for this stock. We'll have to wait and see and give it time to work its way out of this sideways consolidation pattern. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that, among many other things. Don't forget that Fed announcement, not the Fed announcement, sorry, the Janet Yellen speech coming up 10 a.m. on Friday. Certainly looks like the market is holding its breath for that. We'll keep you posted, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.